Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy sweet corn risotto, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So summer is slowly but surely happening here in Ireland, and I saw this fresh ears of corn in the supermarket, 49 cents each. So I thought I'd grab a couple to make a lovely risotto with. So I'm using fresh ears of corn. You can use corn on the cob, you can use frozen corn if you want instead. It depends what's available near you. I've got a cup of rice measured out. You really can use any rice you like. You can use arborio or one of the traditional risotto rices for a super creamy traditional classic risotto. I just use whichever rice is on special. I get that one, and I think this one's actually basmati rice. It makes up a risotto. I use that. I don't like buying a million extra ingredients, so that's what I always cook with, but it's up to you. I'm going to add a bit of creaminess to my risotto to make it nice and fresh and creamy, but you can leave that out if you want. You can swap for coconut milk instead if you want it to be dairy free. Lots of ideas which will all be in the blog post down below. I've got a red onion and some fresh garlic there to add plenty of flavour, and at the end we're going to finish it off with some parmesan. I've got this lovely parmesan shavings over here, so I'm going to get started with making my risotto. I'm going to heat up some stock. You can heat up stock, broth, water. It really just depends what you've got available, what you like to use. Heat it up so you've got it boiling and ready to use when the risotto calls for it. And I am going to chop up onion, garlic and the corn and get it all cooking. I've chopped up a whole lot of onion and a whole lot of garlic too for lots of flavour. Now I'm just going to cut all the corn very carefully to be able to include it all in the risotto. The corn's all been chopped off the cob. We've got a whole plate full over here, and now we're going to get cooking. Heat up a large frying pan with your oil, butter of choice. I'm going for a tablespoon of coconut oil and a tablespoon of butter. Then we'll just add in the onion and garlic and get it started softening. You can add a little more butter, coconut oil if you think it needs it, just to help it along to soften without burning. Once the onion and garlic have softened and browned to your liking, it's time to add on the corn. So just add all the chopped corn kernels onto the onion and garlic and give it a good toss through to get it nice and starting to soften and get all that lovely flavour. Pour over a cup of rice and then toss it all through to coat in all of the flavours from the corn, onion and the garlic. Pour over a cup of your prepared stock, broth or water and get it bubbling away, and keep giving it a good stir through and let it absorb all that lovely liquid, and keep stirring. And once the liquid has all been absorbed, it's a matter of adding in another cup and just slowly adding a cup at a time, stirring. It's quite a therapeutic task, slowly cooking your risotto away. So keep adding another cup once all the liquid has been absorbed, stirring it so you can see all the liquid has been absorbed into the risotto there. And it's just time to add in another cup full. So another cup's been added, and keep doing and repeating that process until all the stock has been used up. You might also want to boil a kettle to add more if need be, and all of the risotto is nice and soft. Once the sweet corn risotto is almost ready, we'll add in cream. I'm going to add in half a cup of cream to make it lovely and creamy. And we'll mix it all through now. And now just let it bubble away and cook until the rice is perfectly done to your liking. For the last minute or so of cooking, add on parmesan. Go for a good half a cup of parmesan. So you've got a super creamy, super cheesy risotto. So I've taken it off the heat, and I'm just going to let all that cheese melt into my beautiful risotto. And there you go, my creamy, cheesy, sweet corn risotto is done and ready to be served up. So that is the video for today with my lovely sweet corn risotto. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this lovely risotto a try, what you think of it, and if you'd like me to come up with other risotto recipes or more corn recipes, let me know. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.